In 2025, electric luxury sedans are taking the automotive world by storm. Offering the perfect balance of elegance, performance, and sustainability, these vehicles represent the future of high-end driving. With advances in electric technology, luxury automakers are focusing on delivering vehicles that offer exceptional driving dynamics, cutting-edge features, and eco-friendly design. In this video, we will explore the top electric luxury sedans of 2025, showcasing their premium performance, advanced technology, and sustainable innovations. Performance: 1,020 horsepower with tri-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.99 seconds, one of the fastest in the world. Range: 390 miles per charge. Top speed: 200 miles per hour. Interior: luxurious with vegan leather and premium seating. Features minimalist design and advanced touchscreen interface. The Tesla Model S Plaid is the pinnacle of electric performance. It redefines what an electric sedan can do, combining unbelievable acceleration, futuristic technology, and a spacious interior that provides comfort without sacrificing performance. Performance: 1,111 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. Range: 503 miles per charge. Top speed: 168 miles per hour. Interior: high-end luxury with sustainable materials like vegan leather, premium audio system, and a customizable cabin. The Lucid Air Dream Edition is a luxury sedan that blends state-of-the-art technology with sustainability. Offering the longest range in the industry, it's perfect for drivers who want top-tier performance, exceptional comfort, and an eco-conscious design. Performance: 536 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. Range: 324 miles per charge. Top speed: 155 miles per hour. Interior: opulent with premium materials, heated cooled seating, massaging seats, and a high-tech infotainment system. The BMW Y7 is BMW's flagship electric luxury sedan, combining smooth performance with unmatched comfort. The i7 offers a quiet and serene ride while delivering advanced tech and sustainable materials in every detail. Performance: 516 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds. Range: 350 miles on a full charge. Top speed: 130 miles per hour. Interior: spacious and luxurious with MBX Hyperscreen, vegan leather, and advanced voice control systems. The Mercedes-Benz EQS is a perfect fusion of technology and luxury. With a futuristic design, smooth handling, and top-of-the-line materials, the EQS offers an eco-conscious alternative to traditional luxury sedans, without compromising on comfort and performance. Performance: 469 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.8 seconds. Range: 280 miles on a full charge. Top speed: 155 miles per hour. Interior: luxurious with high-quality materials, advanced tech features, and a spacious cabin. The Audi A8 e-tron brings Audi's classic luxury sedan into the electric future. With elegant styling, advanced technology, and smooth performance, the A8 e-tron offers everything you could want from a luxury electric vehicle, with an emphasis on comfort and eco-friendliness. Performance: 509 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds. Range: 246 miles per charge. Top speed: 155 miles per hour. Interior: high-tech, sporty with premium leather, adjustable seating, and advanced infotainment system. The Porsche Taycan GTS is a performance-oriented luxury sedan that blends Porsche's legendary driving dynamics with electric technology. It offers an unforgettable driving experience, exceptional handling, and an interior designed for those who appreciate both performance and luxury. Performance: 395 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds. Range: 300 miles on a full charge. Top speed: 155 miles per hour. Interior: elegant with high-quality leather, wood accents, and advanced climate control systems. The Jaguar XJ Electric combines British craftsmanship with innovative electric technology. With its stunning design, luxurious interior, and smooth ride, it's a top choice for anyone who wants an eco-friendly luxury sedan that still delivers on performance. Performance: 365 horsepower with rear-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.0 seconds. Range: 270 miles per charge. Top speed: 140 miles per hour. Interior, modern, with high-quality materials, tech-rich features, and a spacious cabin. The Genesis G80 Electric is a newcomer to the electric luxury sedan market but already making waves with its sophisticated styling and premium features. Combining luxury, eco-conscious driving and performance, it's a great option for those looking for a reliable and comfortable electric vehicle. Longer range. By 2025, expect luxury electric sedans to offer ranges of 350 to 500 miles per charge, making them practical for long trips and daily commutes. Faster charging. With the latest charging technology, luxury sedans will be able to charge to 80% in less than 30 minutes, reducing downtime on the road. Advanced technology. Expect AI-driven systems, semi-autonomous driving features, and personalized infotainment options that will make driving more enjoyable and safer. Sustainability. Automakers are focusing on sustainable materials like recycled fabrics, vegan leather, and carbon-neutral production methods to create more eco-friendly vehicles. Title: The world of is evolving with the rise of. By 2025 will offer an impressive combination of and. These vehicles are not only designed for but are also eco-conscious, offering an. In this video we will explore the looking at their and how they are transforming the future of the pickup truck industry. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 10,000 pounds. The is one of the most anticipated electric pickups of 2025. Built on the iconic this truck offers, and all while maintaining. It's perfect for drivers who need a truck that can handle both while being eco-friendly. 835 horsepower with quad-motor all-wheel drive, 314 miles per charge, 1,760 pounds. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 11,500 pounds. The is a powerhouse electric truck with it's a modern take on the iconic but with. The Hummer EV not only offers but also comes packed with, including 800 horsepower with tri-motor all-wheel drive, 500 miles on a full charge, 3,500 pounds. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 7,500 pounds. The is an electric pickup that's built for, with, and the B2 is designed for those who need it combines with modern for a truck that can handle. 600 horsepower with quad-motor all-wheel drive. 250 miles per charge, 2,000 pounds. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 8,000 pounds. The is a game changer in the electric pickup world, combining a 4 and the capability to haul and tow like no other. With its the Badger is perfect for drivers who need with eco-friendly features and 664 horsepower with dual motor all-wheel drive, 400 miles on a full charge, 2,200 pounds. Electric pickups are made with, such as, and reducing their environmental impact. These trucks will come equipped with, and offering a combined with, and TKWN LMK Luckdammit NW. The future of electric luxury sedans looks incredibly promising, combining powerful performance, advanced technology, and sustainability. These vehicles will not only offer a luxurious driving experience, but they will also help make the world a greener place.